The Hamdiana Adventures event on Rollercoin is now in full swing and you can really get some awesome rewards. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so Rollercoin are back with another great event called the Hamdiana Adventures Event, and this is going to be a nice event where you can win loads of powerful miners and rewards. On my screen here you can see the Rollercoin homepage, and here we have the Hamdiana Adventures, okay? Like Indiana Jones, this is Hamdiana Adventures. So if we click on the Hamdiana Adventures, you can see here that this is similar, very similar to the Advent calendar, where you start opening bits and pieces of the puzzle to reveal the picture at the back there while actually getting rewards. Now also remember that each time you actually get 4 tasks completed, you will obviously get 4 rewards, and at the same time you'll be filling up this progression, and with every 4 you will receive a miner. So for example here I've already done 4 and I've received the first miner, which was the treasure hunter. If I do another 4 I'll be receiving the Indonesia pass at 360 terahash, and at the very end here, and all you need is a total of 12, okay, so 12 tasks to be completed, I will get the black pendant here, which is a whopping 2.3 petahash in power, and if I'm not mistaken this has got a 4% bonus attached to it. And another thing to note here is that this miner can't be sold, so you're not going to find this on the marketplace, okay? Black pendant, one of the most powerful miners you can get. Here as well there are a couple of other miners that you can get when you're opening the puzzle. Obviously I've already unveiled some of those pieces already, and I already had, I believe, like the 1000 hash boards common parts. I think I had one of these temporary bonuses as well, which I managed to receive. There's the royal necklace here at 1.3 petahash in power, and that will give you a 1% bonus as well. So if you click on this, you can see that this can't be sold as well. So this is part of the black pendant collection right there. There is Richie's Castle with 0.5% and 80 terahash there as well. There's also the Acropolis here at 50 terahash at 0.5% bonus as well. Now remember, these bonuses will be on your overall power, on the power that you have for your miners, okay? So just to go quickly through the tasks here, there are a couple that I've already completed, so I'm going to start with those. Merge 30 parts, pretty easy to do. You can do that even in the course of 3 days. There are 3 days and 23 hours remaining, so almost 4 days remaining at the time of recording this video. So you've still got the whole weekend to do this, and even the first 2 days of next week pretty much. So you can easily try and complete these if you play enough games as well. So the 30 parts merge there, and the open 3 lucky RLT cases, the win 50 games and exchange 3 RLT, which I have already done. Now exchanging RLT would ideally be the best time to do so when you actually have a progression event in the meantime as well, because when you're exchanging your crypto to RLT, you'll be getting some multiplier as well added to the progression event. But at the moment there's no progression event going on, but if there is going to be one, then be sure to try and exchange those RLTs when you actually have the progression event going on, okay? There are the others from the top here. We're starting at the very top. We've got exchange 14 RLT, so they're always going to start increasing in difficulty here. Win 100 games, I've got 70 out of 100 already. Open 11 lucky RLT cases, merge 110 parts, exchange 36 RLT, win 200 games, open 24 lucky cases, merge 240 parts, exchange 72 RLT, win 400 games, open 48 lucky cases, and merge 480 parts. That is the total list of the tasks that you would need to do. There are a total of 16 tasks, but all you need to get the black pendant is to do any 12 of those tasks, okay? Now remember as well that when you're currently exchanging your crypto to RLT. For example, if you want to do this one, exchange 72 RLT, remember that at the moment there is a 35% off TRX offer going on and a 20% off BTC going on as well. For the TRX, which is Tron, 35% off is quite a significant amount. So for every 1 RLT that you spend at the moment, you're going to be spending, at the time of recording this video, 5 Tron, okay? So that's with the 35% discount. Also remember that there are prizes, additional prizes that you can win if you fill in the form in the description below this video when it comes to these special offers, TRX 35% and BTC 20. I'm going to leave a link to the forms in the description below this video. All you need to do is fill that out. I've already shown you how to do that on previous videos when it was for different coins like Solana, for example, and even for Bitcoin. It's very, very easy to do. You just basically need to fill in your content creator name. You need to put in your profile and other things as well. Just follow the form, put in all the evidence, take a couple of screenshots to show that you're actually depositing in the game and that you're actually exchanging them to RLT during the time window. For TRX, for example, this is valid up until tomorrow 3 p.m. UTC time, so you've still got a bit of time to do that, around 24 hours to go at the time of recording this video, and this video will be up very shortly, so be sure to try and do that, because you can always also win some cashbacks for that, and you can also get randomly drawn, Roller Girl will randomly do a draw, and you can actually get 10% back from the money you're actually investing if you invest a minimum of $50 worth of TRX, okay? Or BTC in this case. So TRX form is in the description below. Be sure to check that out, fill it out. Obviously select my name as your content creator. And another thing that you can do is also check out the link in the description below to register to Rollercoin if you have not registered already, and you'll get 1000 Satoshi as soon as you register for free to the game, and you can purchase your first rack and maybe a small miner as well. So be sure to check those out in the description below this video. Check out the links there, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So we've also got the Oscar preparing at the moment here. So Oscar preparing every day for the next few days, I think it was here. So if you could just go through the menu here, there's 23 hours remaining. So for the next one day, pretty much, you're going to get some rewards here. There were already some yesterday. I believe yesterday was the RST case. This didn't last very long. It was like 2 or 3 days. And this is the golden ticket right here. And it's going to cost you 5.89 RLT. If you actually try and look for the golden ticket in the marketplace, you will find it because it is a miner that is for sale. But the price here is 6 RLT, so it is slightly higher than it would be to purchase from the Oscar offer. Okay, so from the Oscar preparing offer here, it would be more worth buying it from here. You can buy an unlimited amount of them, and you can actually merge them as well to get even more powerful miners and a bonus reward attached to it, because this one doesn't have a bonus attached to it as it is, but you can always merge it. Okay, so I'm actually going to buy 2 of these 1178, and then I'll merge them because I don't have this miner anyway. So when I merge those, I'll be getting a bit of a percentage boost, bonus boost as well. So I'm just going to click on yes there and just purchase those. Okay, and that is done as well. So just remember that you've got a few more days remaining for the Hamdiana Adventures event, and you can net yourself quite a few miners with significant amount of power. There's a Kakamati as well, Jafan. You've got a few temporal bonuses of 1.5 petahash there. And again, you've got the royal necklace. If you combine the royal necklace with the black pendant, then that's going to give you quite a bit of boost right there. It's going to give you 2.3 plus 1.3. So that's going to give you 3.6 petahash in power. And you're also going to get 4% plus another 1%. So that's 5%. Unless you already had these miners already, which you probably did not, because I think these are unique for this event. So anyway, I hope that you found this video useful. I just wanted to put this out there since it is a great event. Always remember, again, I'd like to emphasize this point, that for every 4 tasks that you're completing, you're actually receiving double the rewards, because you'll be receiving the ones up here, plus you'll be opening the ones down here. Obviously, to open all of these pieces, you'll need to complete all of the 16 tasks, but you don't have to do that. Obviously, if you still have the royal necklace, which is still there, then maybe try to do a few others. Maybe you'll get that if it's worth it, depending on the tasks that you're doing, but you don't have to, okay? Remember, these are drawn at random. There was a point in one of these events, I think it was the Christmas Advent one, where I actually received the highest power miner after I did actually 3 of these tasks, but that was just luck. So it depends on what is actually drawn at random for you as well, okay? So I wish you the best of luck with this adventure. Hamdiana Adventures await for you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.